Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.2, Problem 16. This is Section 4.2, Problem 16. It says the given triangles are similar. Find the length of the unknown side. So I have two triangles, one side, the end is unknown. So what you want to do is set up a proportion. So you will do 18 over n equals 40 over 30, the right-hand side value of the right-hand side value. And now when we have two fractions that are equal, you solve by cross multiplying and then dividing. Now, the 40 over 30, you don't have to reduce it. I really can't even resist canceling the zeros or reducing them both by 10. You'll get the same answer if you don't. You just work with bigger numbers. So let's solve the problem 18 over n equals 4 over 3, just to make the numbers smaller, easier to deal with. You'll get the same answer. So multiplying one way, you'll have 18 times 3, and the other way, 4 times n. And those are equal. 4 times n we can write as 4n. 18 times 3 is 54. Now, to solve for n, what we do is divide the 54 by the number in front of the n, which is 4. So off to one side, I will do 54 divided by 4. 4 will go into 5 once. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the next digit, which is a 4. And unfortunately, it's not going to go in evenly. 4 goes into 14 how many times? Well, it'll go in 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12, but you don't have a remainder of 0. It doesn't go in evenly. So 14 minus 12 is 2. There is no next digit, but you can assume the 54 can be written as a 54.0. That extra 0 that you add in, you can bring it down next to the 2. And now make it 4 divides into 20. And that it will go in evenly 5 times. So the decimal that you put in comes up. So 13.5 or 13.5. So the length of the unknown side is 13.5. Or 13.5 if you like.